Within you lies a hidden potential, a radiant blueprint waiting to be awakened. It's a potential for transformation, for elevating your energy and stepping into a higher state of being. This is the journey to unlock your crystalline body, a state of existence where your energy vibrates at a higher frequency, allowing you to access greater clarity, intuition, and connection to the universe. Imagine for a moment that your body is like a radio receiver. In its current state, it may be tuned to a frequency that is filled with static, interference, and limitations. But within you lies the ability to adjust your dial to shift your frequency to a higher, clearer channel. This is the essence of the crystalline body, a state of being where your energy resonates with the pure, harmonious frequencies of the universe. Think of it as shedding the density of the physical world and accepting a lighter, more luminous state of being. It's like transforming from a rough, unpolished stone into a radiant, multifaceted crystal. This isn't just a metaphorical concept, it's a tangible shift in your energy, your vibration, and your very essence. The benefits of accepting this crystalline transformation are profound. As your vibration rises, you'll experience a greater sense of well-being, both physically and emotionally. Your intuition will sharpen, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and clarity. You'll develop a deeper connection to your inner wisdom and a greater understanding of your life's purpose. You'll feel more aligned with the flow of the universe, and you'll radiate a brighter, more magnetic energy that attracts positive experiences and relationships. But perhaps the most significant benefit of all is the profound sense of inner peace and joy that comes with living in a higher vibration. As you shed old patterns and limitations, you'll create space for more love, abundance, and fulfillment in your life. The crystalline body isn't merely a distant dream or a concept reserved for spiritual masters. It's a natural state of being that is accessible to everyone. We're all made of energy, and that energy can be transformed and elevated through conscious intention and simple practices. Many believe that we are currently experiencing a global shift in consciousness, a collective awakening to our true potential. This shift is creating a fertile ground for personal transformation and spiritual evolution. The time is ripe to shed the old dense energies that no longer serve us and accept the light, crystalline energies that are available to us now more than ever before. This is your opportunity to step into your full potential, to shine your light brightly, and to experience the joy and abundance that come with living in alignment with your highest self. But what exactly is a crystalline body? It's a state of being where your energy vibrates at a higher frequency, allowing you to access greater clarity, intuition, and connection to the universe. It's like shedding the density of the physical world and accepting a lighter, more luminous state of being. Think of it as transforming from a rough, unpolished stone into a radiant, multifaceted crystal. This transformation isn't merely a change in your physical body, it's a shift in your entire being, your mind, your emotions, your energy, and your spirit. The concept of a crystalline body might seem new or unfamiliar, but it's rooted in ancient wisdom and modern science alike. Many spiritual traditions speak of the importance of raising one's vibration and purifying one's energy field. Modern physics, too, tells us that everything in the universe is made of energy, and that energy vibrates at different frequencies. From this perspective, the crystalline body isn't a mystical concept, but a natural progression of our energetic evolution. It's about aligning ourselves with the higher frequencies of love, joy, and unity that are inherent in the universe. Now, you might be wondering, why is this transformation so important, and why now? Many believe that we are currently experiencing a global shift in consciousness, a collective awakening to our true potential. This shift is creating a fertile ground for personal transformation and spiritual evolution. The time is ripe to shed the old dense energies that no longer serve us and accept the light, crystalline energies that are available to us now more than ever before. This is your opportunity to step into your full potential, to shine your light brightly, and to experience the joy and abundance that come with living in alignment with your highest self. We'll explore the 3 pillars of crystalline transformation: mindset, energy practices, and lifestyle. By understanding and incorporating these pillars into your life, you can begin your own journey of transformation and unlock the radiant potential that resides within you. Remember, this journey is unique to each individual. There's no right or wrong way to approach it, and the pace of transformation will vary from person to person. But by taking the first step and accepting the possibility of a crystalline existence, you open yourself up to a world of wonder, growth, and endless possibilities. The first pillar of crystalline transformation is mindset. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, and to embody a higher vibration, we must cultivate a mindset that aligns with that frequency. This means letting go of limiting beliefs, self-doubt, and negativity. Instead, we accept positivity, self-love, and gratitude. It's about recognizing the inherent worth and divinity within ourselves and others. It's about releasing the need to judge or criticize and accepting compassion and understanding. It's about shifting our focus from lack and scarcity to abundance and possibility. This may sound like a tall order, but even small shifts in our thinking can have a profound impact on our overall vibration. Start by paying attention to your inner dialogue. Are your thoughts mostly positive or negative? Are you constantly criticizing yourself or others? If so, gently challenge those thoughts and replace them with affirmations of self-love and acceptance. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring podcasts, or supportive friends and family. Practice gratitude daily. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, no matter how small they may seem. This simple practice can shift your focus from what's lacking in your life to all the blessings that surround you. And remember, forgiveness is a powerful tool for releasing old wounds and resentments. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and forgive others who may have hurt you. This doesn't mean condoning their actions, but it does mean freeing yourself from the burden of carrying those negative emotions. As you cultivate a positive mindset, you'll find that your energy naturally begins to rise. You'll feel lighter, brighter, and more connected to your true self. And this is just the first step on your journey to a crystalline transformation. The second pillar of crystalline transformation is energy practices. These practices are designed to cleanse, balance, and elevate your energy field. They can range from simple breathing exercises to more complex meditation techniques. The key is to find practices that resonate with you and incorporate them into your daily routine. One of the simplest and most effective energy practices is grounding. This involves connecting with the Earth's energy to release excess energy and restore balance. You can do this by simply walking barefoot on the grass, sitting with your back against a tree, or visualizing roots growing from your feet into the ground. Another powerful practice is breathwork. By consciously controlling our breath, we can influence our energy flow and calm our nervous system. A simple technique is alternate nostril breathing, where you inhale through one nostril, hold your breath, and then exhale through the other nostril. Repeat this several times, alternating nostrils with each breath. Meditation is another essential tool for raising your vibration. It allows you to quiet your mind, connect with your inner self, and cultivate a sense of peace and stillness. If you're new to meditation, start with short sessions of just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. There are many other energy practices you can explore, such as yoga, tai chi, qigong, and reiki. Experiment with different techniques and find the ones that feel most supportive and beneficial for you. The third pillar of crystalline transformation is lifestyle. The choices we make in our daily lives have a significant impact on our energy and vibration. This includes everything from the food we eat to the environment we surround ourselves with. Just as a crystal needs a clean and clear environment to thrive, so too does our crystalline body. This means nourishing ourselves with high vibration foods that are rich in nutrients and light energy. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods not only provide vital nutrients, but also carry a higher frequency that can help to elevate our own vibration. Hydration is also key. Water is a natural conductor of energy, and staying hydrated helps to keep our energy flowing smoothly. Aim to drink plenty of pure filtered water throughout the day. You can also infuse your water with crystals or herbs to further enhance its energetic properties. In addition to diet and hydration, it's important to create a living environment that supports your crystalline transformation. This means surrounding yourself with beauty, order, and positive energy. Declutter your home, fill it with plants and natural elements, and create a space that feels peaceful and harmonious. Spending time in nature is also essential. The Earth's energy is incredibly grounding and healing, and immersing ourselves in nature can help to cleanse our energy field and raise our vibration. Go for walks in the forest, swim in the ocean, or simply sit in a park and soak up the sun. Another important aspect of lifestyle is our exposure to technology and artificial light. While technology can be a useful tool, it's important to be mindful of how much time we spend in front of screens. Artificial light can disrupt our natural rhythms and lower our vibration. Make sure to take regular breaks from screens and spend time in natural light as much as possible. Remember that rest and relaxation are essential for maintaining a high vibration. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, taking time to recharge, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By making conscious choices in our diet, environment, and daily routines, we can create a lifestyle that supports our crystalline transformation and helps us to embody our highest potential. Now that we've established a foundation in mindset and energy practices, let's explore how we can integrate these principles into our daily lives, making conscious choices that support our crystalline transformation. Accept your new self. As you progress on this journey, you'll likely notice subtle shifts in your energy and perception. You may feel lighter, more joyful, and more connected to your intuition. You might find that synchronicities and meaningful coincidences become more frequent in your life. Accept these changes as signs of your transformation, trust the process, and allow yourself to evolve at your own pace. As you integrate these higher frequencies, you may also encounter challenges or resistance. Old patterns and beliefs may surface as you shed them, and you may experience emotional or physical discomfort. This is a natural part of the process, and it's important to be patient and gentle with yourself. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. Seek support from friends, family, or a spiritual mentor. Connect with others who are also on a path of transformation. Share your experiences and learn from theirs. As you continue to raise your vibration and embody your crystalline essence, you'll become a beacon of light in the world. You'll inspire others with your positive energy and radiate love and compassion wherever you go. You'll create a ripple effect that extends far beyond yourself, contributing to the collective awakening that is transforming our planet. Now we invite you to close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Visualize a radiant crystal forming in the center of your chest. See it glowing with pure white light, radiating love, joy, and peace. Feel this light expanding outward, filling your entire body and radiating out into the world around you. This crystal represents your crystalline body, your true essence. It's always there, waiting to be awakened and empowered. As you continue on this journey, remember this visualization and connect with the crystalline energy that resides within you. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. We encourage you to explore the resources available to you, to deepen your understanding of crystalline transformation, and to accept the practices that resonate most deeply with you.